Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What's going on, X? Good morning, friends. Welcome back. So today we're going to play some Fomc. Man, how about yesterday? Remember yesterday I was long on this puppy after getting stopped out on a quick short. And then right at the very end of the day, I was mentioning I was going to hold my trade to the very end of the day. I think I sold that candle right there. And then, of course, after hours, what do you know? Bam! Right up to my targets and then some. It happens. So, due to the nature of these news drivers, got no hardline expectations. Now, I do want to see us reprice into discovery. So, if we don't, I mean, don't get too excited here, okay? Because nobody knows for sure. And we can have some guess expectations of what we want to see. It'd be nice if price came into agreement with that. So my primary expectation is that we reprice into this high here after a drop. I would like to see a drop first. If not, that's okay. I'm not 100% going to trade this. Okay? If price action's in agreement with me, I might put up some risk. So it need not drop into this gray shaded area. It can drop into here, the midway point of this annotation. And yeah, if it just goes straight up, then whatever. Crypto Lifer should be live on YouTube as well, I think. He usually does Bitcoin. Doesn't say he's going live. So he usually does Bitcoin. Well, I'm so shadow banned on Twitter. It's not even funny. It's painful at this point. Like it hurts. It sucks. Please like and share. Help me defeat this algorithm. All right. Shout out Bellicose Martin. What's up, bro? And Sniper Meow. Meow. It looks like it's just going to send it. Oh, man. You know, if it wasn't for couple of inefficiencies down here, I'd say it could just launch out of control. You know, at the very minimum, I would like to see that candle reprice too. I'm going to do the 15 here and the 15-second here. That's better. What's up, MG? Didn't you have above 100 views yesterday? Yeah. Rookie numbers, bro. No, I'm watching these other accounts with the same engagement thrive. 5 to 15 retweets, 30 more likes, and only like 3 to 500 people see it. Like, I've been on Twitter for a long time, dude. This is just blatant manipulation. Like they hate us. If you do good, they hate you. It's like artificial intelligence is after us. Like, it's obvious. My terminus for January is meant today in Asia. Yeah. Nice. Just a few more minutes till the fun begins. It can be like 2:30 as well. Man, I hope it just runs out. Touch this candle and dump. If it wants to get weird, this pool of liquidity right here. Is that this it's a little high, but look, we haven't seen any nasty NAS pricing for a long time, so I'm anticipating some violence here soon. Maybe not this month, definitely next month. Hey, what's up? Who's that? 2 more minutes. What's up, Mario's? Is this where all the ladies are? Yep. They're all back here in VIP. And Psycho Bear, TikTok, TikTok, yep. Waiting. Doing my job. I'm doing my job properly. Waiting. The last minute is the most fun. Look at it bugging out. Look at the bid and the ask. It's bugging. bugging out. I bet you the bid and the ask will leave before the candle does. Told you. Wham! Stomp on them longs. So now we wait. What are we waiting for? Waiting for everyone to get cooked. And that might have been it too. We could just freaking freak out from here. I'm still gonna wait. So we tapped that candle here, but didn't take the pool of liquidity yet. So far, expectations are on point. Now look, when I'm ready to engage, don't go copy trading me, okay? So this is my first expectation for a reversal. I want to see if it's got the willingness to go lower. It can reprice a little bit higher, but I would like to see it just a little bit lower. Beauty. So if it's gonna reprice higher, I wouldn't want it to trade down much more than this. Right where we're at. So this is where I'm gauging. How far does it drop here? And does it see immediate sensitivity to the upside? No. In all reality, I would have wanted it to be a lot more violent already. Just completely irrational, big huge spikes down, a big shot back up. This is actually really lame. This is not what I was looking for. So if it takes this high rate here, I'll be interested. One more low, please. So, look at how this 15-minute candlestick, you guys, cleared out everyone that was engaged with it at 2 p.m. It just cleared out both sides of the range. Bye bye. You want to see a candle dance? What's up? Dance monkey dance. What's up? Shake it, Nazi. Good evening, Gibbles. We were in a ridiculous premium. I would be shocked to see it out of control. We're actually not in a ridiculous premium, bro. It's not as ridiculous as you think, and it's because of the chop. So we're establishing a new fair value in a macro and discount and premium right now. So it's kind of like when you joined with me, how it was just really gross. We established the fair value and then we dipped and ripped. And just with the money printing and everything going on, rates cuts and just everything else, it looks like she's gonna soar. Don't teach ICB, bro. He's ICB. He's the trust me, bro source. Pathetic. It's just dripping up that high I picked. It's kind of better, not really. A nice little free fall here would be nice. Right there. Snap down. Next candle. Nice. Do it. Just waiting. Waiting for. It's just not interesting yet. I'm keeping an open mind. It looks like it's going to snap. If this was 9:30, I would long that sucker already. Well, you'd be underwater. Right? No, even if I thought of like when I meant well, I want to take this high, that means that I want to see a snap like these two candles, not go maybe. Show me the money. Yeah, and like when I'm talking about like violent moves for FOMC, I mean like you'd be like this, right? And you'd have your chart here, and then all of a sudden you get this candle at 2 p.m. that goes wall, and it just elevators both sides of your screen. That's what I want to see. I want to see everybody just cooked. Now it kind of did that. It just wasn't as violent as we've been expecting. It's been like we've been waiting for fun for like a long time. And we do this every freaking year. Just go already. Do it. What does that say? I say price is going. No, we'll see. I was promised fun. No, you were promised boredom, and that's what you got. I don't sell dopamine here. I sell boredom on a rock. Oh, it's a comfy rock. Look at holding up my turtle butt. Oh, so good, so nice, bro. I know you want a job like this. I know you want to do nothing at your job and get paid a lot. Okay, it'll happen. You just gotta study. Be patient. We'll wait for when Jerk Powell comes out. The next spot we can get violence is 230 and then 235. So how did you guys do this morning? I didn't do nothing. Sniper me out. What is job? Attaboy. Yeah, I didn't do nothing. Just chilled out, played with my kids, with some students. The Discord. Trade of 8 issues. Yeah, I heard about that. It sucks. Well, there's a little bit of violence. Trying to trick me? So what's that little tiny fair value gap got? What do you got? You gonna pop? Are you gonna pop it? Pop and lock it right here. Get a close above, and I'll be a little more interested. Come on. It's almost perfect time too. Nice. Oh. Nope, not yet. 2 more minutes. If it can hit that red line, give it a couple minutes. I would like one more low though. Sniper Mail says 26.79. Wow. Oh, you really want it to go down. What's wrong with you? Nah, these targets down here, those are gone. Yeah, those are way gone. I mean, if it's bearish for the rest of the afternoon, then that's where I'd guess it would go. But as far as like it running into that target for FOMC, that's over. For a bottom. Three, two, one. Man, you're so cheap. It's better. Care Bear Countdown. Sweet. There's a one tick tail on that guy. It counts. Boop. Oh, you bugger. Don't leave me. No, don't leave me. Aw. Nah, I think I keep get a better entry. If not, whatever. That tickled. Oh, 6 ticks. Pay the rent. Sign out. So rate it like 230 and like for like 5 minutes. I'll let it come against me. It's fine. I don't mind losing. That's why I'm like, don't copy trade me because we could get some violent reprice and spank me. So I'm okay with it. Just noticing there's a little tiny little bugger right there. Ah, give it just a little more wiggle room. Yeah. Yeah, I thought so. Quick, buy his own stop. What was that? 750. Here we go. Some actual movement. Oh, don't you dare break that fair value gap, you bugger. Oh, dang, I'm at max risk. I can't trade anymore. That was it. Hard stop. And watch it run to my targets now. I bet you can't do that. I bet you can't do that. I bet you can't stop trading. So right in here, after we had taken sell side and it was looking like we were going to get this unicorn right inside this breaker and start running up, that could have been it, and we could have absolutely flew. And then when it came and grabbed these sell stops and my stop loss, we were sitting on another breaker in that same price point I'm looking at here. So you guys have this on your chart because I think that's going to be our support and resistance level. That one right there seems to be pretty awesome. So, yeah. So let's take a pretend trade. Go. Let's say we were really emotional and we just had to get in again, right? Who's that? Is that Michael Edwards? Did I read that right? Wow. Wow. What's going on, bro? Been a minute. Yeah, man. Following a model at your times to trade. If it's going to run, it's going to run. Look at it not running. This right here. This is where you guys get the most angry, especially in the morning. Now Powell gets grilled. Good. That was lame. Yeah, it was. And even if it did reach for my target directly, elevator just went right toward it. That used to pain me. It used to hurt. Eventually, you just learn to let it go. Right here could turn around, tank in everyone's faces. What is the stop on this? Is that 107 ticks? So 114 ticks about. So that would be another almost $600 on top of what I've already put up today, if that was to turn around. So that would be well over, you know, my maximum risk tolerance for the day. So right here, if you were on your, max risk trade, you were underwater, how would that make you feel? It wouldn't make you feel very good. You'd be like, oh, I'll just get out at break even, please. Oh, it's going back up. I'm just going to keep the trade open. Oh, it's back underwater. It's a psyop. You have to free yourself from it. You have to let go of that stuff. If you hit your max risk for the day, none of this matters. You leave the charts. And this is the thing that I do that nobody else can do. You don't have a TA problem. You have an impulse and self-control problem. Your TA is likely really good. Mine is. You guys have seen the gypsy stuff that I do just about every day in the AM session. The PM session's rough. And it could be, really rough, like today. You figure that one thing out, your maximum daily loss limit, and you will live to be a consistent trader. You will force yourself to be more picky. Look at the algorithm, make it look like you were getting out alive. It's being a prick, okay? Plain and simple. It's not ready to run yet. I have no doubt that it's going to go back up. I just don't know how much I wanted to dip first. And I was really hoping for this whole accumulation range to just get railroaded right at 2, fizzle around in here, 230 start working up. And, it was in agreement with me for a few minutes and then started being a jerk. Just trashing these suckers. Holy moly. All in, and Alex says that's funny. Two years ago, I would have lost 2 accounts by now. Crazy, right? And that's the beauty about following a model and understanding order flow. Okay, when your thing's in and it looks in, and then it's not, you just okay. Sorry, I won't touch you no more. Okay, and then you wait for the stop hunt. You wait for your thing to be in. Okay, hit it. Oh, you're not in. Okay. I'm sorry. Ouch. Right, and look at it, still being a jerk. Yeah, there you go, Alvix. Recently picked up film photography. Nice. Michael. Holy bruh. Bro, I was just thinking about you 2 weeks ago and wondering what happened to you, man. I hope you're doing well. You've been gone since like September of last year. Yo, where's Wildberries? There he is. What's up? He says, I'm rich. Yeah? From that wicked short you played yesterday? Bah! First NQ live for you? Paul V. Oh, should be. Welcome. Just pretend it's Bitcoin. Speaking of Bitcoin, what's it doing? Oh, it's dying. Great. Good job, pal. Good job, Chin Chir pal. Hold up. What we got here? Is order flow going to kick in? Actually, is it going to do it? Oh, man. Imagine being those guys. Still trading, still chasing. Oh, is that going up? Oh, is that going down? Oh, is that going up? That's why you not profitable. That's why. Because you chase price. Just barely didn't prick this wick. Looking at this guy right here. Oops. Oh. Everyone who was chasing this little impulse down here, that's where their stop losses are. Just internally. Little prick right there. Boom. Now what? Does it run for the next buy side pool up there? Or does it start tanking? Proof in right now. That's boop. Target acquired. Without me. What? It didn't pierce it though. I don't know if that counts. I don't think that counts. You have to, hit it. Spike through it a bit. So yeah, if I could help you guys in any way with my live trading, that's it. Okay. How to lose. You don't know how to lose. Learn how to lose.